All right. Good morning, ladies and gents. Sorry I was MIA for a couple of days. I was working on a few things on campus, and I also wanted to give you guys a little chance to play catch up. There's quite a few of you guys that are playing catch up. So, all right. So what we're doing today, we're going to continue analyzing the data from Orange County. This time I give you steps in the assignment on how to get to the website and then to get down to education, which gives you some general stats. And then we get to concentrations. There's a drop down here. The beginning of this is kind of less than a bachelor's degree. If you wanted to see what's a 1-year post-secondary certificate, it looks like nail specialists and manicurists are the #1 for that. 7% are doing skincare stuff. So you can see if you have less than a college degree, these are generally the areas that you're working in. I want you guys to go to bachelor degree. So you can see that this breaks it down into sections. So this is business. So if we just roll over this, you can see then we've got health, social sciences, psychology, communications, going all the way down. You also get time. So this goes from 2012 to 2017. So if I click on 2012, you can see the chart is very different. I'm just going to be analyzing the general business administration. So for the assignment, choose anything but general business administration. So if I look at general business administration from 2012 to 2017, so in 2012, it made up 16% of all degrees. If I click on 2017, it's raised to 18.5% of all degrees. So more people are graduating with general administration business degrees. If I click down here, I can get more data on just the people that are getting bachelor's degrees in business. So general business administration and management. So from 2017, it was at 73% of all business. So this is all business degrees, 6,430, and then they start to break them down by categories. So this is general, organizational leadership, economics, human resources, communications. This was my degree, accounting. And let's see what's going on from 2012 to 2017. All right, so, looking at this. All right, so 2012, 78% of degrees were general business and administrative. If I click on 2017, it's down to 73%. So how many total degrees were awarded? 4,700. 3,000. So there are more degrees more business degrees are being produced. And since the general business administration degrees have gone from 78 to 73, I think we could conclude that people are becoming more specialized in the type of business degree that they are graduating with. So look, for example, accounting, 1.2% in 2017. Back in 2012, accounting made up 1.6%. So 1.6 to 1.2, it looks like a decline. But they also include accounting and business management. This is kind of the new wave. Accounting firms used to be kind of separate standalone entities, but now they do a lot of business consulting. So I'm curious, was that even a category in 2012? Information management, general marketing. No, see, it wasn't even a category. It was all just sitting in accounting. So I would say accounting degrees of 1.6% in 2012, going to 2017. It went down to 1.2, but they're also including it along here with business management. So it's actually up to about 3.2% when combined with business management. So two things I want you to do. I want you to analyze the to get back to the main chart, just click this to hide it and you go back to here. So analyze the main chart here. What do you see with degrees changing from 2012 to 2017? And then I want you to pick a specific area like I did with business and give me an analysis of the trends that you see in that particular field. All right, ladies and gents, you got lots to choose from. And if you're just curious too, you can go down and look at master's degrees. Wow, looks like quite a few in the business world get into master's degrees and in education. If I want to go beyond master's, look at professional doctorate. Oh my goodness, most are lawyers. Then optometry, and then medicine, physical therapy, all the way down. Interesting. 44% law. Ugh, seems like a waste of talent. Oh well. All right, ladies and gents, there you go. And, whoops. Let me get back to bachelor's. There you go. See what you can find out. This is good information. I mean, if you're going to go get a college degree, you want to get a degree in a area that is got room for growth, expansion. There's just going to be more money available in it. So you don't want to get a degree in a dying field. You want to get into something that is expanding and growing. All right, ladies and gents, analyze, analyze, analyze.